Okay, here we go. Just
Jake,
stay careful, please. We have never done this before, but Santa brought some geodes, so we're gonna try cracking one. And true to form, I don't have the exact proper tools, so we'll see. But anyway, here we go. We'll just try it this way first and see what happens.
I can't see. You're hitting the way. It's working.
Oh, sounds like something's
Cracking.
Well, there's bits flying off, but
Not really working.
I've got a bit of a shark.
A shark?
A shock or a spark, I mean. Good heavens.
I know what to do. Land a piece.
Maybe Dad needs to get the proper tool.
There.
Oh!
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Look.
Okay, let's... That actually worked pretty good once it happened.
Can I pick them up?
Yeah, sure. Pick them up. There we go.
Geode.
Well, there we go. We got one done. Not too bad.
Now you know how to